In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Shopify theme. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a safe backup of your theme files, whether you want to archive your current design, migrate to another store, or hand the files to a developer. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Using a modern browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge will help everything load smoothly. On the home page, click Login. Sign in with your email and password, or use any available single sign-on options. Make sure you're logging into the correct store if you manage more than one, and that your account has permission to access themes. If you're a staff member and don't see themes later, you may need an admin to adjust your permissions. Once you're in the admin, look to the left-hand navigation and click Online Store. This opens the themes page. At the top, you'll see your current theme section, which shows the theme that's live on your storefront right now. If you have multiple themes, you'll also see a theme library below. Just keep in mind that downloading from the current theme ensures you're backing up what visitors are actually seeing. Next, find the three-dot icon next to your current theme. This is the More Options menu. Click it to reveal additional actions. From the list, choose Download Theme File. Shopify will prepare a zip file of your theme's code. This includes your templates, sections, assets, and theme settings, essentially the structure and design files. It won't include store data like products, customers, apps, or media in your files library, so think of it as a code backup rather than a full store export. A prompt will let you know a copy of the theme will be sent by email. Verify that the email shown is one you can access, then click Send. After you send the request, Shopify packages the theme in the background and emails you a download link. This can take a few minutes, especially if your theme has lots of customizations. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam or promotions folders just in case. When it arrives, save the zip somewhere secure and clearly labeled with the date so you can find it later. A couple of tips as you work. Downloading your theme is a great habit before making big design changes, installing new apps that modify theme files, or updating to a major theme version. Store the zip in a safe place and consider versioning your backups so you can roll back if needed. That's it. Go to shopify.com, log in, open online store, use the three dots next to your current theme, choose download theme file, and click send. You now have a reliable backup of your theme.